Welcome back to Star Leaders Hub. This is a journey for mid career professionals. I am sure as a mid career professional, you are facing the most common challenges like you are not getting a promotion for many years now. You have been working hard and you have been waiting for the promotion. You have been working overnights, long hours, but there is no sign of you getting promoted. With the increasing financial obligations, with the family pressures, and with the colleagues growing faster, this pressure is getting built up again and again. The level of frustration is increasing. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 steps that will make you promotion ready for this year. Yes, I want you to achieve your promotion, the much awaited promotion in this year for sure. And this is a very simple 6-step process which I call the 6 P's of promotion. Let's get started. The first step, which is a very obvious step, is perform. Yes, you must consistently deliver excellent performance this year. You should be completely aware of what are your KPIs and you should continuously monitor your progress. You should review your progress throughout the year. But there is a piece of caution. If you just keep doing what is assigned to you, if you keep achieving your targets which are as per your KPIs, then you only get your salary and the average increment. In addition to your tasks, in addition to your job description, you must actively participate in more important projects. Projects which are directly aligned with the company's goals, the company's vision and mission. Projects which are under the radar of the management. And you should volunteer for these projects. I know it is tough, but this is the way to climb the ladder. You have to do something beyond your job description. And this is where performance comes into picture. This is how your performance is monitored. But while you perform, there is one more thing which people miss. And that is the step number 2, project. Don't assume that everybody knows what you are doing. Stop assuming that everybody is aware about your achievements. It is your responsibility to showcase all your achievements. You are your marketing manager. And this visibility should not be limited only to your manager because there are many other people in the organization who will influence your promotion decision. And you are aware of it. So you have to showcase, strategically position yourself in front of all the important stakeholders. You have to pass on the message and position yourself for the next role. This is how you can occupy space in their minds throughout the year. Let's go to step number 3, and which is called prepare. You have to start preparing for the next role. You must know what will be your additional responsibilities when you take the promotion, who will be your new stakeholders. And while you get to know this, you have to start behaving, you have to start networking with them right now. So before you get the position, you have to start behaving as if you have got it. You have to exhibit that maturity, you have to exhibit that responsibility, you have to exhibit that ownership. Trust me, management is looking at this. They want you to be ready for the promotion before you get the promotion. So it is your responsibility to start preparing for your next step well in advance. Do not wait for the last moment. Otherwise, you will definitely end up losing the opportunity. Let's go to the next step, which is called pursuing. Throughout the year, you should keep asking or keep informing your desired goal to your manager as well as to the key stakeholders. And this has to be done again in a very strategic way. At the right opportunities, you should put up your desire. And you should do this in such a way that they must realize if you don't get it, you will make a move. So consistently, constantly, you should keep seeking their feedback also, that if this is my goal, what are you expecting from me? And you should have some mentors within the organization, some people who you trust, who can guide you that what you should do next to be promotion ready. So you must keep pursuing this throughout the year. This is very important. Don't wait till the end of the year. And by that time, you lose all the control. You cannot influence. And I am sure majority of the mid-career professionals are making this mistake, waiting till the end of the year and then getting into a complaining mode when they do not get the results. Let's come to the fifth P, which is called packaging. Throughout the year, you have done a lot of things. Throughout the year, you have done many things beyond your job description now. You have got many achievements. You have networked with a lot of people. You have helped a lot of people. Now it is time to package everything. If you do not package your performance well, then you cannot sell. As we say in Hindi, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. So you have to package in such a way that all your tasks, all your achievements are leading or are impacting the company's vision, mission and goals. You have to exhibit your performance and accordingly you have to package everything. So do not forget to package it well in advance. And once it is packaged, we come to the last P, which is called pitching. You have to be ready to pitch it to the right stakeholders at the right time, at the right forums, in the right manner. And this requires a lot of practice. Start practicing to pitch. This is about your journey. This is about your growth. This is about your career. You must practice your pitch multiple times. Let me tell you one thing. If you follow these 6 P's of promotion, the probability of you getting the result on the positive side will be almost 99%. And the reason is nobody else is doing this. Nobody else is following this approach. Start your journey and I guarantee that you will get a promotion. You know what? There's one more secret. Even if you don't get a promotion, this process will make you ready for your next jump. So this particular journey is not just about getting the result. It is about preparing you for your career. It is about preparing you for all the remaining years of your career. Just copy this practice and start implementing this year on year. Trust me, you will start growing exponentially. I hope you like this. I want you to implement this and I want you to share this with all the friends who you think need this. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every week when I come up with new videos, you get a notification. Thanks for listening.